The number of Anambra who have keyed into the public-private community partnership initiative of Governor Chukwuma Soludo has continued to increase, with the latest being Chief Basil Osuoku, who built and handed over a smart school at Ngo Primary School, Igboukwu. The smart school, which housed 3 classrooms and offices for head teachers and other teachers in the school, as well as modern toilet facilities, was commissioned by Governor Chukwuma Soludo. Ngozo Bileri tells us more.
Osuoku, popularly called Obasi or Omeyilora, said he decided to build the smart school through his foundation, the Basil Osuoku Foundation, to give opportunity to children who desired to be educated because he was not privileged to be educated when he was supposed to, assuring that no child will be left behind.
Eba my alma mater, Eba can go primary 6. Let every person come on board, because the government cannot do it alone. Abona little in well, the primary level can take care our community development to a higher level.
Speaking earlier, during a Holy Mass that heralded the event, the Bishop of Igboukwu Catholic Diocese, Peter Cardinal Obaleke, urged pupils of the school to take their studies seriously, to appreciate the good gesture of their benefactor, and prayed for Chief Osuoku and his family, as well as the teachers in the school. In their separate speeches, the member representing Agwata 1 and 2 constituencies at the Green Chambers, Dr. Dominic Ukafo, who donated solar facilities to the school to ensure steady power supply for the smart school, and the chairman of the occasion, Engineer Bath Nwibe, applauded the move by Chief Osuoku, calling on all those who have left schools to go back to their alma mater and invest for quality education in their various schools.
Also very happy to promise to be part of it through the installation of the 5 kVA solar inverter and lithium battery, which you can see, to ensure that, to complement that smart school.
For the fact that the headmaster or head teacher, that they will have an office, have uninterrupted light with fan, I think it's good. It's good. It's something worth emulation.
The chairman of board is the Basil Osuoku Foundation, Chief Jude Osude, and the coordinator of the foundation, Mr. Cletus Udoye, explained that the foundation started 22 years ago and has trained many university graduates, with many in secondary school presently, appreciating Chief Osuoku for his generosity towards the growth of the community.
I think first that the school has to be changed. That what we are now in is a digital age. So the students now that are supposed to have a better and quality education.
From Ngo Primary School in Igboukwu, Agwata local government area, I am Ngozi Bileri for ABS News.